Hello everyone, in the previous lecture we have discussed about Langmuir isotherm, which is the relation between equilibrium concentration and equilibrium uptake. We obtained the linear relation and we express it by simple linear line. Now in this lecture we will discuss about Freundlich isotherm. There are some assumptions. It shows that in this case the adsorbent surface is not homogeneous, but the surface of the adsorbent can be heterogeneous adsorbent surface. It means that the surface of the adsorbent can be up and down, and there is not homogeneous surface but heterogeneous adsorbent surface. It shows that the surface of adsorbent is not homogeneous, but it can be heterogeneous. So it also shows that the heat of adsorption can be decreased logarithmically, as shown by Temkin that the heat of adsorption show decrease linearly, but Langmuir confirmed that it decrease logarithmically. So it's mathematically the Langmuir model is QE is equal to KF CE to the power 1 over n. This is again it is equilibrium concentration, this is the equilibrium uptake, this is the Freundlich constant, and it shows the relative adsorption. Freundlich show the relative adsorption between adsorbate and adsorbent. It means that it cap is nothing but it is the relation between the solution concentration and the adsorbent uptake. So it is show the relative adsorption. Now this n is the intensity factor or heterogeneity factor. How much the surface is heterogeneous, so it shows the intensity or the heterogeneity factor. Now the linear line can be obtained from this model. Suppose this is A linear, we can take ln take ln on both sides, ln kf plus 1 over n ln ce. So this is again the linear line where ln ce, where ce is the x-axis and the y-axis, and the ln ce is the x-axis, where n 1 over n is the slope of the line, and the ln kf is the y-intercept of the line. So from the y-intercept we can get ln kf. Suppose y-intercept is 2, so we can get ln kf 2. Kf will be, this is a simple, this for simplicity, this is a simple example. Similarly, from n can be obtained from the slope can be 2 or 3 or something. Simply divide by slope, we will get n, heterogeneity factor O. So this is all about Langmuir and Freundlich isotherms. Thanks.